Listen to me and listen to me very closely and carefully. If you are interested in trading and you're just starting, you need to understand that the demo account, you should not be on it for long. Now, some people are going to think I'm insane, I'm crazy. No, you need to be on demo. You need to prove you can be consistent on demo, blah, 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 blah. Here's the reality, right? I started using the demo account last year of 2025, and I was literally itching and like trying to figure out like, damn, should I switch? It's hard to figure out when you want to switch over because you're on a demo and it's not your money. It's just like a fake account. You pretty much want to just utilize the demo to kind of understand it. And not just then, guys, or not just that, there's layers to it. When you get on a demo on TradingView, they don't actually show you live market action. I think you have to actually get the upgraded version of it to see live market action, which is what I ended up doing. So that's the first part of it, right? I'm almost certain of that. If I'm wrong, you can correct me, but I'm almost certain of that because that's what happened to me. I was trading on the demo off of a market that was not even the actual live market that you experience when market opens. So when I first brought that upgrade and I experienced market open live, it was like a cluster F because I'm like, damn, like, whoa, the market's moving really fast and your brain is trying to catch up and it's very hard. So that's number one. Number two, it's not your money, it's fake money. And you don't have the opportunity to earn money. You could be profitable on demo and you could be up $10,000, but you just, okay, cool. Now here comes the real part. Are you trying to get a funded account? Do you have your live account? The emotions are two different things, guys, and everybody knows this. Trading on demo versus actually trading on a Top Step X account where you're at risk. You know, you put actual money on the account to try to say, oh, I want to get this funded account, or you put your actual money into a live account through a broker or whatever. And now you have to go through the real life emotions of, oh my God, my actual real money is on the line. Do you guys get what I'm saying? And the psychology of this is so important because as I've been doing this Top Step X funded account, guys, right now, I'm not ashamed to say it. Right now, I'm negative $814. I have what, 4 winning trades and 7 losing trades, right? And the start of my week, I was supposed to be 3-2 to challenge damn near literally finish, and I made grammatical or little technical errors and it messed me up. But the best part about this, guys, is I'm learning at a more rapid rate because now I'm going through the live emotions of, damn, real money is on the line right now. Real money is on the line right now. I'm seeing real live market action. Yes, you can get the live market action through TradingView if you get the upgrade, but what's better than having real live market action with the opportunity to make real money? So that's my advice to anybody that has just got into trading or you're feeling like you're trying to figure it out. The demo is not going to help you guys. What the demo is literally for is for you to understand trading in its totality. As long as you've done your research in terms of understanding a market, understanding what a bullish trend is, a bearish trend, a liquidity sweep, what's an order block, what's a fair value gap. Do you understand these simple movements of the market? Do you understand market open, market close, New York high, New York low? All these basic things you need to understand. That is for you to use TradingView and use that demo account and get the understanding, understand how to enter on a trade, set your risk management. All of that's cool, guys, but that's not going to help you with the psychology that comes with having to trade on an actual market. So, you know, I hope you guys understand this. I just wanted to get this message out there because I think it's crucial, bro. Like, if you want to be successful in trading, you can. Guys, just because you heard people tell you that it took them 5 years to trade does not mean that it will take you 5 years as well. The whole point of why people sell courses, guys, and why you have mentors is because it's so simple. The objective here is to stop your learning curve or make your learning curve a lot shorter than they had to go through. And they're paying you or you're paying them for that access, right? That's the whole purpose. Obviously, if you learn trading all by yourself and you don't look up any videos or you buy your own courses, you go into your own path, it's going to be harder. But if you're watching TJR's Bootcamp, if you're watching Craig Prokokra, if you're watching Swaggy C or whoever you want to watch, the learning curve is going to be a lot shorter for you and you can become profitable in a lot faster of a time. So again, don't feel discouraged when you hear them say that. They're not telling you that's going to take you that long as well. I've seen people, they became profitable within 6 to 9 months. Guys, we're already 3 months into the year of 2026. Do you guys really think it'll take you that long if you just lock in and focus up? So yeah, guys, that's my overall main point of this video. Get to a funded account as fast as you can. That's what I would suggest first. If I had to give you guys a legitimate blueprint on how you should attack this, and I know it's going to be difficult to take advice from me but guys, at the end of the day, people don't like taking advice from anybody. People just want a reason to complain, and people just want to be heard. Because if it's a person that's successful and they're selling a course, this course is a scam. If it's a person that's not successful, you're not profitable. So sometimes people just want to cry like bitches or have their voice be heard. They're not really trying to speak in good faith. But if I'm going to give you the blueprint, this is what you're going to do. Use TradingView to learn trading and understand how to enter, sell, buy, all of that. Understand the basics of trading. Once you kind of understand that, get a minimum of 5 winning days in a row. Get a minimum. If you don't feel comfortable with 5, that's up to you. I say all you need is 5 winning days on TradingView, right? With legitimate strategy, legitimate setup, controlled risk management, not just getting random wins by just guessing them. No, have a controlled stop loss, have controlled take profit, have controlled risk management, have your strategy set, have one thing you're trading on. If you're trading futures, trade that, options, whatever you want to trade that specifically, and get 5 winning days in a row. Once you get that on TradingView, guys, it's time to move on to the next thing. If you're taking this seriously, you're going to invest some money into yourself. To get a Top Step X account, it's not that much. Well, you have to pay either 100 or 2, or what is it, like 250 or whatever the case may be. Nonetheless, guys, if you want to make the investment in yourself, you got to bet on yourself. You got to take some risk. That's what this comes with. This is not about just staring at the wall, and no, take some risk in terms of investing into yourself. I'm not telling you guys to take random risk on the charts, but take the risk on yourself. So once you do that, go for the funded account. Try to get a funded account on Top Step X. I don't know about any of the other ones that people would like. I'm not too familiar with the names. Whichever one you're comfortable with, go with it. Try to get the funded account. Once you get the funded account, build up your account, build up your account, build up your account. Once you've built up your account, then you open a live account. Now you're starting to expand and scale, and then maybe you go for more funded accounts. Me personally, I'm going to go for a minimum 5 funded accounts. That's what I'm going to do. Maybe once I get to 3, we'll see, but I'm going to go for 5 funded accounts and just copy trade. Instead of me trying to use a live account just off the rip, I'd rather build up capital to where, like, okay, now I built up capital, now I'll put 10K in a live account, 20K, whatever the case may be, and operate like that and still have a bunch of money in funded accounts. So play it like that, guys, and you know, in no time you will be a winner. Stay positive, guys. Stay positive. I'm gonna make more videos about trading as I'm going through it, as I'm learning. I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. I'm actually gonna make a video right after this, guys. So the next video I'm gonna make is simply just gonna be, I forgot what it was, but y'all gonna see when I upload it. So stay tuned. Peace.